Hello, work life warriors. Welcome to Fun Funny Fridays. Are you ready for some laughter yoga? I am Ebony Davenport and I teach stress management. I show people how to utilize fun management solutions to decrease stress and counter burnout so that we're happier, healthier, and well balanced. I use over 75 tips, tools, tricks, and techniques to manage stress. But today we are going to practice my favorite, which is laughter yoga. So think about your biggest stressor and we're going to laugh the power way. Very good, very good. Yay! I hope that helps, work life warriors.